So just to remind everybody, yesterday, day before yesterday, after announcing the results of our mental math exams, it's only yesterday that you realize that because of the lost marks, you're not going to be able to get 100 out of 100. So what did each of you tell me to do? What did each of you
Retest. Retest.
E-test.
Each of you asked me to do a retest. And even though some of you have got excellent marks, you all wanted to challenge yourself to achieve 20 on 20 in your mental maths, right? So then that gives you a closer chance to achieve 100 on 100 in your final exams in maths, right? We all asked Padma teacher for permission.
Yes.
And you know why she gave us permission? Because she felt that children are now capable and growing big enough to understand that they want to do better than yesterday. And they're willing to challenge themselves for that. They are wanting to challenge themselves for that. So we are going to have a retest today. And we all know the rules of retest. I'm going to repeat it. 1. Whatever marks you got on Monday, they are all not going to be included, even if they were better than what you will be getting today. However, I'm very confident that you guys are going to get 20 on 20 today. I'm pretty confident on that. Looking at each one of you, I feel that you all are going to make it. Okay. 2, I will not, unlike me being myself, remind you to rethink your answer in case there is a mistake. Okay. We discussed this yesterday and I told you that. Remember, area answer should be in square unit. Perimeter answer should be in just the unit. Remember this, huh? Don't make this mistake. I don't want you all to make this silly mistake. Okay. There will be no more debates on you telling me कि आपको ये mark देना चाहिए था, नहीं देना चाहिए था, etc. etc. We discussed that yesterday. No debates will be entertained. Right? Another important thing, that you get one chance to give the answer. Within a fraction of a second, also, if you correct your answer, I am not going to take that. So open your mouth only when needed. Okay? Ready? Shall we start?
Yes.
Yeah? Vihan, are you ready?
Yes.
Ma'am.
First of all, calm yourself. Don't get into this hassle ki itna hona chahiye, utna hona chahiye and all that. The most important thing that you guys showed us is the willingness to bring that challenge, which is big in itself. आज के तारीख में हम जैसे adults भी इतना challenge नहीं लेते हैं. एक बार हमने achieve कर दिया तो हम उसमें better करने का सोचते भी नहीं हैं. But तुम लोगों ने हमको दिखाया कि come on, ये तो करना बनता है. So I'm really happy with that. So whatever is the result today, I want you children to remember that you did the most important thing of challenging yourself, which is not easy. So you already crossed that one very big exam of yours. Okay. And 2, जो भी result आए, एकदम उसको खुशी खुशी मान लो. ठीक है? Can we do that much? Can we promise ourselves that much? Okay.
Yes.
Because you children have actually crossed the biggest hurdle of challenging yourself, because you've already done that. And that's the most amazing part of it. Okay, agreed? Ready? Take a deep breath and calm down. Relax. It is just another mental math exam, just like you all are always ready for it every time. Correct? So nothing different. Chillax. Ready? Okay. Now I'm going to keep your mics on mute because only the person who is going to answer will be allowed to answer. Okay? Are we ready? Shall we start? Let me share my screen because my questions are ready. Everyone can see my screen? Everybody give me a thumbs up. You can see my screen. Subhan, Ranveer, your class is here, Ranveer. Don't make me say this. Yeah, so I can see a thumbs up from everyone. All right. Once again, there will be thousands of distractions around you. You cannot blame those distractions. You keep your focus. You can simply keep your hand like this so it only focuses on your screen. Okay, so you keep your focus. Get ready. I'll open the mic first for Vihan. Vihan, can you please tell me the answer for b minus 0? This one, b minus 0.
3.
Okay. Thank you. Ranveer, please tell me the answer for a minus c. Open your mic.
Ma'am, 2.
Subhan, tell me the answer for c minus a.
Does not exist.
Pranav, tell me the answer for b minus a.
B minus does not exist.
Tanishka, tell me the answer for c minus a.
Ma'am, does not exist.
Okay. Coming back to Subhan. Subhan, tell me the place value of 5 that's marked in red over here.
Hundreds.
Ranveer, tell me the place value of 2 that's marked over here in red.
Ten lakh.
Vihan, tell me the place value for 6 that's marked over here in red.
10,000.
Tanishka, tell me the place value of 0 that's marked over here.
Tens.
Pranav, tell me the place value of 8 that's marked here.
Lakh.
Subhan, tell me the place value of 4 that's marked here.
10,000.
Ranveer? Ranveer? Ranveer, can you hear me? Open your mic if you can hear me. Okay, I can't see you either. All right. I will go on to, okay, he logged out. Okay. Vihan. Vihan, tell me the place value of 6 that's marked here in red.
1.
Okay. Tanishka, tell me the place value of 8 that's marked over here.
Crores.
Pranav, tell me the
Yes.
place value of 4 that's marked over here.
10,000.
Ranveer, are you there in class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I can't see you.
Now,
Okay. It'll be nice if you just move back and sit without touching your laptop.
I'm not.
But first and final instruction, just to say yes and move back.
Okay.
Tell me the place value of 0 that's marked here in red.
Thousands.
Okay, kids, so far so good. All right. Shall we pick up on Roman numbers? Great. Subhan. I stands for
1.
okay. Kids, just give me a minute. Just give me a sec. Okay. Ranveer. V stands for
5.
Vihan. X stands for
10.
Tanishka. L stands for
50.
Pranav. C stands for
100.
oh, my cursor is just not working properly today. I think it is also equally sensing some things. Okay. Subhan. XC.
Ma'am. XC.
XC stands for
110. 110. 110.
Ranveer.
110.
MM stands for
2000.
Vihan. DCC stands for
500. 700.
Tanishka. Where are you? Okay, there. XL stands for
40.
Pranav. Oh, Pranav logged out? Oh dear. Okay, can we just wait a minute for him to come back in? Yes, Tanishka, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, power is cut. So Wi-Fi.
Oh, okay.
I am sitting on networks. He will come now. 1 minute.
Okay,
I
ask
will
him to
call
come to your place. Yes, ask him to come to your place. You are waiting only for him. Oh, literally, she can call him from any side of her house, huh? She seems to be screaming out to him from every window around her. Okay, this is the last question in this section, so I have to wait for him, guys. With this, we will complete 5 marks and then we have another 15 to go. Pranav! Jaldi aao! Thank you for waiting, kids, but we need to give him also the equal chance. Power cut का उस पे कोई control नहीं है, so we have to wait for him. Ah, there he is. There he is. There is the dude. Okay. Pranav, your question. Okay. CM.
900.
Okay. Ready for the next segment? It's formula. Subhan. Open your mic, Subhan. What is the perimeter of a square?
Yes. 4 into sides.
Ranveer. What is the perimeter of a rectangle?
2 into length plus 2 into breadth.
Vihan. Vihan.
Yeah.
What is the area of a square?
It's side and side.
Tanishka. What is the area of a rectangle?
Length into breadth.
Pranav. What is the perimeter of a square?
4 into side.
Okay. Subhan, first question is for you.
Yes.
Sides of a figure is 9 feet. Find perimeter. Sides of a figure is 9 feet. Find
36.
perimeter.
36 feet.
Once again, it's never feet, it's feet. But since it's not grammar class, I will let it pass. Ranveer, next question is for you. Sides of a figure, 10 feet. What is the perimeter?
40 feet.
Okay, children, once you're done, please close your own mics. Yeah, that will be very convenient for me. My cursor is going a little crooked today. Vihan. Third question is for you. Sides of a figure, 12 feet. What is the perimeter?
A side of a figure is 12. So it's 48 feet.
Okay. Tanishka, fourth question to you. Sides of a figure is 15 feet. What is the perimeter?
Thirty feet.
Pranav, last
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Sides of a figure is 20 feet. What is the perimeter?
80 feet.
Next set of questions is around area. Okay, keep your focus, children. Subhan, the first one comes to you. Open your mic, Subhan. First one comes to you. Sides of a figure is 8 feet. What is the area?
$65 square feet. नहीं.
Ranveer, next question comes to you. Length is 9 centimeters, breadth is 6 centimeters. What is the area?
$54 square centimeters.
Vihan, open your mic, dear. Vihan. Vihan. Yes.
Yeah.
Third question is for you. Sides of a figure is 11 meters. What is the area?
11 into 11 is 121 meters.
Okay. Tanishka, the fourth question is for you. Length is 9, breadth is 8. What is the area?
72 square centimeters.
Pranav, last question is for you. Length is 7, breadth is 6. What is the area?
Mm, 42 square centimeter.
Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next one, which is around graph. I think this should be quite convenient, comfortable for each one of you. Yeah. Okay. Subhan, I open your mic. Subhan, can you tell me the total number of newspapers published in Bengali and Hindi?
In Hindi 1200 and in Bengali 400.
Ranveer, in which publication should an advertiser place his ads based on the number of newspaper distribution?
Ma'am, Bengali.
Bihan, what is the total number of publication of English and Bengali?
English 600 and Bengali 400. So the correct answer is 1000.
Tanishka. If someone was to place an ad, किसी को advertisement डालना है, based on the newspaper publications, किस पे ad डालेगा? Where will they place their ads? In which newspaper will they put their ads?
Hindi.
Pranav, what is the total number of publications of Gujarati and English?
One 1,400.
Okay, one moment. Okay. Okay. Now, Subhan, which village has the maximum number of animals?
Village B.
Okay. What are the total number of animals in village B and C?
$190 animals.
Ranveer, how many animals are there in villages A, C, and E? E for elephant. A, C, and E.
Ma'am, 240 animals.
Vihan, which village has the least animals?
Village F.
And which is the village that has a little just about more than F?
Village D.
Tanishka, how many animals in villages total of B, D, and F?
$240.
Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
a doctor has visited this village and he wants to give vaccine to all the animals. How many vaccinations should he bring along? A doctor has visited this village and he wants to give vaccination to all the animals. How many vaccines must he bring along?
Wait. 440.
Okay. Now, see, 1 minute, 1 minute. Now, children, give me a moment. Something's just missing in my sheet. Just give me 1 moment. Subhan, 8 eights are
4th.
I'll move on.
64.
I've told you very clear rules. Open your mouth only when you have the answer. Fourth sounded like 40. I've taken up that answer. These are important ways for us to learn our lessons. So no debate on that, please. Ranveer, 9 times 9.
81.
Vihan, 6 times 6.
36.
Tanishka, 7 times 7.
49.
Pranav, 11 times 11.
121.
Subhan, 8 6 are
48.
Ranveer, 7 8s are
56.
Vihan, 6 9s are
6, 54.
Tanishka, 8 3s are
24.
Pranav, 9 4s are
36.
Subhan. Subhan,
Yes.
100 minus 20.
100 marks 20. 120.
100 minus 20.
80.
Ranveer, 100 minus 60.
40.
Vihan, 100 minus 90.
Dead.
Tanishka, 100 minus 30.
70.
Pranav, 100 minus 40.
60.
Subhan, 25 divided by 5.
5.
Ranveer, 36 divided by 4.
9.
Vihan, 81 divided by 9.
9.
Tanishka, 72 divided by 6.
12.
Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
49 divided by 7.
6. Ma'am, no. Shit.
We will come back to the language in some time. We shall come back to the language in some time. Okay. Subhan,
Yes.
10 minus 4.
6.
Ranveer, 6 minus 4.
2.
Vihan, 8 minus 2.
6.
Tanishka, 6 minus 4.
2.
Pranav, 8 minus 6. Pranav, 8 minus 6.
2.
Okay. We are done with our 20 marks. Okay. All of you go get up, go for a walk and come back. Everybody get up, go for a walk, wash your eyes and come back. Yes, Subhan, what do you want to say? Children, can you all hear me? Okay. I can see that some of you are unhappy, some of you are sad, some of you are disappointed, some of you are feeling just the same, some of you are feeling very nice because पिछले round से इस round में ज़्यादा marks मिले. But first and foremost thing that I want to appreciate in you is the very fact कि तुम में इतना जिगर है कि तुम अपने आप को challenge कर सकते हो. सच बोलूं तो ये अच्छों से नहीं हो पाता है कि मैंने इतना किया है तो मैं इससे बेटर क्यों करूं. इतना किया ना, that's fine. Today, trust me, I think of each of you like Usain Bolt. Who knows who is Usain Bolt? Usain Bolt कौन है पता है? Yes, Ranveer, who is Usain Bolt?
Fastest runner in the world.
So to be a fastest runner, what did he do? He didn't just break somebody else's record.
He broke his own record.
He broke his own record. You know? He told himself and the world that I can do better than what I have done last time. तो उसने खुद का ही रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिया. ओके? तो अपने आप को चैलेंज कर पाना अपने आप में एक बहुत ही बड़ा हुनर है. It's a very big talent in each one of you that you challenge yourself. And there's nothing to feel bad with the marks that you have got right now. Okay? The important part was that you guys challenged yourself with full honesty, with full efforts, पूरे दिल से, पूरे जोश से. You challenged yourself. And you know what? ये आज एक दिन के लिए तुमने वो ग्राफ का रॉन्ग आंसर दे दिया या आज एक दिन के लिए तुमने एडिशन गलत कर दिया या आज एक दिन के लिए तुमने बोलने के बाद करेक्ट आंसर बोल दिया या आज एक दिन के लिए तुमने पेरीमीटर का आंसर रॉन्ग बोल दिया. दिस डज नॉट डिफाइन यू. रिमेंबर दैट. ये आज एक दिन का जो तुमने छोटा सा गलती किया है, इट इज वेरी वेरी स्मॉल. ये आज एक दिन जो तुमने छोटा सा गलती किया है, इट डज नॉट डिफाइन यू. इन फैक्ट इट डजंट डिफाइन एनीथिंग. ये आज जो तुमने छोटा सा गलती किया है, ये तुम्हें डिफाइन ही नहीं करता है और ये किसी चीज को डिफाइन नहीं करता है. बट तुम लोगों ने पिछले 48 आवर्स में जो चैलेंज लेके इस पूरे चैलेंज के लिए कंटिन्यूअस एफर्ट्स दिया है, उस बात के लिए आई सल्यूट यू. I totally salute you that you took it upon yourself. Trust me, kids, ये कोई छोटी बात नहीं है. तुम अगर अपने पेरेंट्स से कहोगे तो आई एम श्योर योर पेरेंट्स विल टेल यू द सेम थिंग. तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स भी तुमको यही कहेंगे दैट अरे मार्क्स मिलने के बाद भी तुम्हें फिर रीटेस्ट देना है ताकि तुम अच्छे मार्क्स ले आओ. दैट्स अमेजिंग. I'm sure your parents will say the same thing. I'm sure some of your friends will say, अरे पागल है क्या, कितना बार टेस्ट देते रहेगा, छोड़ना, एक बार हो गया ना खत्म, हेडेक खत्म. But you know what? तुम लोगों ने ऐसे नहीं सोचा. तुम लोगों ने सबसे हट के सोचा. तुम लोगों ने सबसे अलग सोचा. तुम सब ने ये सोचा कि मुझे इतना मिला है तो क्या मुझे इससे ज्यादा चाहिए और मैं इससे ज्यादा के लिए मेहनत करूंगा. और ये मेहनत each one of you did for 2 full days. Each one of you did for 2 full days. And I really, really, really want to appreciate you for that. I really want to appreciate you for that from the core of my heart. Because you children taught me and all the teachers of this school that you must always strive for more. You must always attempt to get better. You must always put efforts in the right direction to get more. Now let's do some comparisons, ठीक है? Because it is open. होने ही वाला है ना? सबको अपना अपना पिछले मंडे का भी मार्क्स पता है और आज का भी. On Monday, Subhan, cheer up, honey. That's okay. Subhan, you did very well. But small bits of carelessness have caused. But you know what? In spite of you doing tap, tap, I still gave you that 1 mark. Okay? I still gave you that 1 mark. Although I said I'm not giving it, I still gave it to you. All right? Subhan, you scored 18 in the last time exam. On Monday. Today, your scores got lower. I will tell why. Okay, I will explain each of you where you went wrong. Ranveer, last time you did 17. This time you got 18, which means you went slightly better. You lost on a little bit of focus, which has been of your area of concern all the time. It's just about time that you start working on it consciously. Vihan, you got 16 last time and now this time you got 19. You lost 1 mark. You know for what? Just for not saying square centimeters. You just had to say 121 square centimeters. You said 121 centimeters. So I gave you 1 mark for that 121. But because you didn't say square centimeters, I had to cut that 1 mark. Else you had scored full. But see, that one silly mistake, how much it cost? Tanishka. Tanishka, you did excellent last time. Tanishka, baby, open up your mic. Open up your video. Tanishka, we are all in this together. Tanishka, open up your video. Tanu, open your video. It's okay. Tanishka, open your video. It's okay. Tanishka, open your video. Okay, we'll wait for her. We'll give her time. Last time, Tanishka scored 18. Maybe today she got very conscious. She got very worried or she got very tensed. And she only scored 14. She lost 6 marks. And every time I gave her 0 for something, I felt very, very bad. Okay. Tanishka, You gave a wrong answer in perimeter. You gave a wrong answer in the graph. It simply says that you have to work a little more in those corrections. Okay? We will talk later, Tanishka. No worries. It's okay. You take your time. I will call you up later and we'll talk. Okay? Pranav. Last time you got 19. This time as well you got 19. And Pranav, last time you lost that 1 mark in identifying a wrong place value. And this time you lost 1 mark in one simple addition, subtraction. What is this, my dear?
Ma'am, I will tell that 7. Then after first I tell 6. Then after I tell 7.
क्या करे प्रणव? For that 1 mark you lost. Ranveer, you're feeling bad. Tanishka is feeling bad. You know what? Pranav is actually feeling the worst because he made such a silly mistake that he wouldn't have done all the way from grade 1 to grade 6. Right? He made a mistake in identifying place value last time. वो thousands था, उसने tens बोल दिया. And I'm like, what's wrong with you, Pranav? But then I had to take that answer. Mental maths exam hai. And today again, simple subtraction and he's giving me some weird, and that too single digit, and he's giving me some weird answer. Can you imagine how terrible Pranav must be feeling? Pranav must be feeling so terrible that ये चीज जो मैं पिछले 6 साल से पढ़ता आया हूं, इसी में आके मैंने कैसे फाइनल मोमेंट में गलती किया. But that's okay. And you know what? We are not the first ones to make a mistake. And also, this is not the first time we are making a mistake, right? Mistakes are bound to happen. The only way we can stop that or reduce the number of mistakes is by keeping focus, not have distractions around. The birds will be chirping, the cows will be mooing, the dogs will be barking, the door will be ringing, the water will be flowing. You cannot stop all that noise around, whether it is in school or in house. Subhan, cheer up. Ranveer, cheer up. Okay? If I was in class, you really want to use your curtain again to clean your nose and... Hey! Stop now! मतलब कुछ भी कपड़ा किधर भी लेफ्ट राइट मिलेगा उससे लेके तुम करोगे क्या? Go get a hand towel or a kerchief. Your curtains are not your kerchiefs to clean your nose and eyes. एक तो वो बहुत गंदा रहता है because it always gathers dust. दूसरा तुम उसी गंदगी में अपना भी गंदगी डाल रहे हो. Tanishka, can you open your video, please? Tanishka, we are all in this together. Can you please open your video? We all want to talk to you. Not later, Tanishka, now. Tanishka, when class is going on, we should talk, no? Baby, open the mic, open the video. तुम लोगों को पता है कि तुम लोगों को रोना क्यों आ रहा है? क्यों इतना खराब लग रहा है? क्योंकि तुम लोगों को लगता है कि मैंने इतना एफर्ट दिया और तब भी नहीं हो पाया. But trust me, ये ऐसा कई लोगों के साथ होता है. ओके? जब थॉमस एडिसन ने ये लाइट बनाया था ना, उसने 1000 बार ट्राई किया कि मैं लाइट कैसे करूं. Imagine if he had to sit down crying each time. How much time will he just waste crying all the time. You know, instead what he did? He kept trying again. He kept trying again. He kept trying again. And he said, I don't care how many times I fail. I am going to invent light left, right या center. कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं तो light invent करके छोड़ूंगा. And look, we are all sitting under the influence of light. हमारे चारों तरफ उजाला है. Thanks to Thomas Edison. So children, जिन लोगों को बहुत सक्सेस मिलने वाला है ना, वो शुरू में थोड़ा सा जरूर फेल होते हैं, और भी बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजों पे. सो ये याद रखो, you children did a very big thing of challenging yourself, and इतना जिगर रखो कि तुम आगे भी चैलेंज करोगे अपने आप को. You will challenge yourself in future as well, just to know where you stand. ये कभी मत सोचना, अरे एक बार मैंने अपने आप को मेंटल मैथ्स में चैलेंज किया था और मुझे जितना मिला था उससे भी कम मिल गया. ओके? अब सोचो, अगर मेंटल मैथ्स का चैलेंज तुम्हें बार बार मिलता रहे. सपोज मैं हमेशा एक चीज में बिलीव करती हूँ कि लाइफ में कभी होप नहीं छोड़ते. ओके? रणवीर, प्लीज कीप योर वीडियो ऑन. प्रणव, तनिष्का, Subhan, sit up straight. Okay? Listen very carefully. Okay? Listen very carefully. That just because you lost once, are you really going to give up? Pranav, क्या एक ही बार में, पहली बार में तुमको तो शेफ बनना है. सॉरी सुभान, तुम्हें तो शेफ बनना है. Did you make omelette perfect the first time? Did you make it very well the second time? या तुमने सेकेंड टाइम में बहुत ही अच्छा ऑमलेट बना दिया था? और did you do many efforts and then now you have understood how to make the omelette really well? एक ही बार में तुमने अच्छा ऑमलेट बना दिया था? Ranveer, you want to be a racer. The very first race you did, you won. Then you did a second race. Then you did a third race. You kept racing for 5 years. And then it was when you reached your 10. When you reached 10 years of age is when you actually won a championship, right? So did you give up the first 2 times you lost? अरे बस हो गया, अब मैं नहीं ये करने वाला हूँ. No, right? No, right? So अभी इस मेंटल मैथ्स में मार्क्स लूज करने पे क्यों इतना रोना? इसमें अभी क्या हुआ? सुभान, सिट स्ट्रेट. तुम बेबी नहीं हो, सीधे बैठो. अंगड़ाई एंड स्ट्रेचिंग सब हम बाद में कर सकते हैं. You are a 6th grader. Sit straight in the class. Tanishka, I want to talk to you. Yes, Tanishka, talk to me. Talk to me. Arey. So Pranav, talk to me about how you are feeling. Pranav? Uh-oh. Talk to me, Tanishka. I know you're feeling bad, and that's okay. So let's talk about it. Come on, Tanishka. How are you feeling? Tell me about it.
Ma'am, my wish is to let us do again mental maths test.
Okay. See, now you're talking solutions. Now you're looking forward. Now you are seeing beyond the problem. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? ठीक है, हमने चैलेंज लिया, हम उस चैलेंज में सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो पाए, तो क्या हुआ? यहीं पे सब खत्म हो जाता है क्या? नहीं ना? The sun is still shining bright. It may be a beautiful weather in the evening again if it rains. Mummy has made yummy breakfast and lunch. There is ice cream somewhere that I can enjoy. And I can go and swim. Or I can just step out and play. Life is still beautiful. क्या 2 marks की वजह से इतना मुश्किल हो जाता है life? Oh. So you are giving me another solution that let's have another round of mental maths. So you are trying to say that we should try and try and try and try and try till we are able to achieve full. I love that attitude. ये होता है attitude. I am not going to give up so soon. Yes, Pranav.
One more time mental maths test.
Are you asking or telling?
I am asking.
That I really don't know. See, I'll tell you something. उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है. पता है ये तुमने सुना है कभी? There is always hope. Okay, there is always hope. And how will that hope come by? When you keep trying for better things always. Okay? There is always hope when you keep trying for better things around always. Then there is hope. तुम ऐसे ही बैठे रहोगे वो बुक को देख के तो वो रोमन नंबर्स तुम्हारे सर में नहीं अपने से जाने वाला है. वो पेरीमीटर अपने से तुम्हारे सर में नहीं घुसेगा. You have to make an effort. Okay? Yes, Ranveer. You have something to say.
Now, like how Sunbolt kept breaking his record, we also want to keep breaking our record.
That's a very nice statement. That's a very nice statement. Matlab, he broke his record at every opportunity he got. But let's remember one thing. People didn't create an opportunity for him. Okay? People didn't tell him, you know what? तुम आज भागो, देखते हैं अगर आज रिकॉर्ड नहीं ब्रेक हुआ तो कल फिर से भागो. ऐसा नहीं हुआ था. He had to wait for the next round of World Championship. The World Championships were not held for him. The World Championships were held at their right time, at their right intervals, at their right due dates. They were not held for Usain Bolt to break his record. They were held commonly for everyone. What did Usain Bolt do? He picked up each of those championships only to break his record. Just because I keep giving you more and more opportunities to do mental maths, does it mean that you're going to keep on doing better, better, better? Yes, it can definitely mean that. But is that what I call opportunity?
No.
You got an opportunity today. Today was the World Championship. You should have broken your record. Understood? Understood? Do you understand what I'm saying? Subhan, if you went for a cooking championship and you didn't do well, do you think the whole unit will do another championship just because they want you to do well? No, no. अगर पूरे यूनिट का गैस सप्लाई ही खत्म हो गया या पूरे यूनिट का पावर सप्लाई ही खत्म हो गया, then maybe they will do a retest for everybody. Will they do it again? You all see Master Chef, right? तुम सब लोग Master Chef देखते हो ना? किसी को भी retest मिलता है? That's the fact of life. Okay? हमें एक बार opportunity मिलता है, and if we are lucky, we might get another opportunity. But we have to keep trying. The opportunities are out there. You have to go to it and keep working towards it. Do you get it? Do you get it? You had an opportunity for the last 24 hours to make sure that you are not going to lose out on anything. And I keep on telling you all, focus, 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 focus. Why do I repeat that word so many times? Because वो बहुत important word है. मुझे पता है तुम सबको बहुत खराब लग रहा है तुम्हारे परफॉर्मेंस से. कुछ लोग बहुत रो रहे हैं. I'm going to say enough. Clear up your tears and move ahead. अब मेंटल मैथ्स में जितना भी गैप है वो गैप फिलहाल तो फिल नहीं हो पाएगा, लेकिन 80 मार्क्स का जो मैथ्स एग्जाम है, रिटन एग्जाम, 80 मार्क्स लाने का पूरा अपॉर्चुनिटी अब तुम्हारे पास है कि नहीं? 80 मार्क्स लाने का पूरा अपॉर्चुनिटी तुम्हारे पास है कि नहीं है? तो अब उसको एम करो. सी, दैट्स अनदर अपॉर्चुनिटी यू हैव. उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को हाथ से मत जाने दो अब. यस सुबन.
Do retest.
What?
We can do retest, and I want to ask that where I have lost my marks.
I will explain where you have lost your marks. But honey, this is our final term exams. Because you all decided and accepted, we decided to do a retest. You got your opportunity. You should have been clear in your focus and achieved it. Okay? Yes, Tanishka, you want to say something?
Ma'am, maths written paper is or 100 marks or 80 marks?
80. 20 marks mental maths, no. 80 marks is written. Right? Now you have an opportunity to get full 80 in that. If you get full 80 in that, Tanishka, then you can still get 94 out of 100. You can beat your record of the previous term. What do you say? You got 84, no, last time? Or 86? Right?
83.
83, right? In now the coming exam, if you score 80 out of 80 in the written test, then adding up this mark, you will get 94 out of 100. Aim for that now. Aim for that now. Aim for 80 on 80 now. Yes, Ranveer.
Ma'am, but even if I do 80 on 80 in written test, I'll get only 98 on 100, which is not that good.
You will get 98 on 100. That is honestly very good. Yes, you had the opportunity to do it 100 on 100. But sometimes it happens like that, you know, that you're not able to get everything. Probably a little more focus, a little more attention was required somewhere. So at least try and get 80 on 80. Don't lose out on that now. उसमें मत lose out करो. You know what, Ranveer, where you lost? In the graph question, my question was very clear. Right? My question was very clear. Shall we discuss the marks now? Yes? We'll discuss marks now. Where you lost, we'll discuss that. Okay? Chalo, we'll do that.